You have a nightstand, night light. Inside you have lights as well. This is one area of the room. You can change the colors. You have a multicolor light inside. You have blue. As you can see, all the different colorings. This is a nightstand. It's a rechargeable station where it plugs into power that you could put your phone on and more. We're going to show you the build, what it's about, install. It's a heavy box. It's fragile. Please be careful. Everything comes protected with an instruction guide, how to install. Check online for further detail about your products and the colors and the designs they come in. In this build, everything is laid out nice and neat with large labels from A, B, C, D, and so forth. A nice close-up look at the large label. The instruction guide shows all the parts and the material. Make sure you go over every single piece, that you have everything with you, and how to install. You're given a Phillips and straight driver screwdriver that fits into a small stubby handle. The only thing you do not have is wood glue. You have everything else to do the work. Use parts 1 and 2 for steps 1, 2, and 3. Step 1, 2, 3. We're going to build. We have here the table built. It's taken us some time, and we have our drawers here. We could put our items. Now, if we want to take our smartphone and do a quick charge, all we have to do is just place it on top, and it'll charge with the case as well. You just have to make sure it aligns correctly. You have a USB-C port that you could basically plug in and charge your unit. And you could change the lights by short pressing a white, a lavender, softer white, and off. We have a light button, short press it. You have different colors. As you can see, I'm going through. And if you long press on the button, it dims down. And you long press again, it'll brighten up. It is a night light, and you have a light indicator. It has a USB-A and a USB-C port. You can put your tablet on the bottom. Your phone will charge. And there you go. A place where you can put your phone, charge at night, turn on a night light, change the colors you want, and lower the lights down. Fast charges, just like that. We have drawers that opens up. You could put your items in. I hope you enjoy your nightstand wherever you put it, in the living room, bedroom, an office, dining room, wherever you need to have a nightstand. Enjoy your product.